guys, here's the finished product, and wow, it actually is very solid. This is a nice clean install. Didn't know that Whitestone Dome had protectors like this, and I appreciate them sending it over. But as you can see here, it came out phenomenal. There is not a bubble in sight. And then we're going to go ahead and fire up the device here, and I'm going to go ahead and check the fingerprint reader. And obviously, you know, it's going to work. This is a plastic screen protector, but I'm glad that Whitestone Dome is doing these type of screen protectors because they work extremely well. So here's the fire up, and we'll get our code entered in, and we're going to test that fingerprint reader and the functionality of the screen, and it looks good. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.